And he bit you and he started swimming towards you. The little guy. He probably was sitting there, and as you struck, he was like, whoa!
Came out of his room into the ceiling.
Usually along the side of these bricks, I always pick up a fish or two. With your cross. Weightless flute, a weightless sinker, or cross. Good one.
Is it? Net. Ooh, that's very good.
Yes, look at fish.
Oh, baby. Oh my goodness.
What the?
That's gonna weigh a lot, so just keep it.
I know, but look at this. Like, is this spawn? Can't be. This is not even a female. Maybe she's eaten something big. Yes, dude. Look at the size of this thing. Wait, I want to show the camera. Your head's in the way.
Oh, sure.
Look at this belly.
It's a winning fish for
What
today.
the hell?
You might want to take you.
Holy moly, her belly. But I've never. That's like she swallowed a ball or something.
Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Don't jump, don't jump.
Also a good one.
Yeah. I think as big as that, but
Eh?
I don't think as big as yours, but it's... Oh, never mind. This came from very deep.
Yeah, the way she was boxing.
Please take a photo of this thing, because I'm sorry, this thing is unbelievable. Like, what's it? Oh, she's like bloated or something.
Yeah, I suggest
She's not
put her in the water
that
before
heavy.
she does.
That is such a weird thing. Let me put it this side.
Yeah. Is this a fish or what the hell is it? Yeah, it is.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Good fish.
I don't think it's too big. It's an
Just let
upgrade, definitely.
Like net fish. I can't see it.
It's a bowl, no? It's a bass. No, it's a bass.
Boxing here. What's the right fish?
It's a nice fish.
Jeez, didn't, well, it fought like it, but it didn't look like it. It looks the same size as my fish, it's just that my fish has got that belly like this. Nice, dude. Nice. It's a good fish.
You know, there's a fish on the game trail.
Standing in front.
Oh, it's a monster. Maybe not a monster.
Yeah, same as your other one. Look, it's like a good average, huh?
Here we go, guys. Okay. Nice little jackal gantera swimbait. Nice keeper.
Yo, belly hooked. Have you seen anything like this?
Yeah,
We've
I
caught
did
that one
record
before.
that one last week.
Probably, it's soft.
I caught that fish last week.
What's wrong with this belly?
It's got plastic inside.
I thought it's something soft.
Big, small. Very
Where's
good.
the good? I'm just trying to fish your angle.
Mm.
Small guy. Good one.
Eh?
What? Bite. Yeah. He's obviously been caught and he just popped this out.
Yo, check this big one come up for a day right behind it.
Really? He's joking.
That's a good one. Let's keep it. Let's keep it. Yeah, let's keep it. Ooh, please. Flippable, baby. A flippable fish. I mean, we're going to be cutting those planes.
Hij boksen.
Hey?
Hij bokst.
Yeah, they're like
Check hoe die kan aan de boot.
No, I know that, but she's crazy, honestly. She does some really ridiculous things. Okay, now. There we go.
Guys, I was floating somewhere here, casting in and around these grass ones.
We need to get rid of those, you know.
Right underneath the boat. Just dropping it down there. You don't want to. No.
You don't wanna?
Fish that corner properly. Oh, it's a good fish though.
I'm gonna.
Nice fish.
On a
Back to the 1 kilo again, you know what I mean? Just under. Yeah, just under. Weightless sinker.
Little guy. Oh, is it a little guy?
very similar. Big.
Put a grass on it to make it better, but no, it's not an upgrade again. Go for 800 again. Maybe a little bit. Giante? Not Giante. I've got to put a stick.
Did you see that other one swimming next to you?
No, I think it's a stick.
No, there
you see
he
it,
swam
Nigel?
to the
Yeah.
side, yeah. Not a bad size.
Yep. Maybe that's enough, right?
Might be.
Might be.